It can be seen from the appearance that this is a dessert vending machine. It is equipped with a 19-inch touchscreen. Payment methods can support banknotes, coins, card readers or cashless payments. The slots have 2 different sizes and can sell food, puddings, durian ice cream, etc. It adopts overall lifting and transportation. This machine also has a double anti-theft design. In addition to the pickup part, this baffle also needs to be opened after purchasing the goods. The temperature can also be adjusted according to the product. It can be adjusted from 3 to 25 degrees and can also be controlled. Now I will show you the shipping and anti-theft functions. As a manufacturer of vending machines, we can provide suitable solutions according to different needs and budgets. For example, vending machines selling cakes, desserts, and ice cream.